Hey there, today we're going to look at how to soften the edges of a photo in Canva, a step-by-step tutorial. So let's get started. First, choose any image you want and insert it into the workspace. After that, go to the Elements section on the left side. Then, insert a square-shaped element from the Shapes section. Over here, make the shape fill the entire image. Next, click on the Colors icon at the top. Scroll down to the Gradient section and choose any color you like. After that, click on the Add a New Color icon at the top. From this window, select the Circular Gradient option. Then click on the plus icon and add 3 color squares. Now, click on the first square and move the bar at the bottom to make the color transparent. Repeat the same step for the second square. Then change the color of the remaining boxes to white or any color you prefer. As you can see, the image now has soft, blended edges. You can move or adjust the box as you like to get the perfect effect. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.